There is one surah in the Quran initialed with the letters Yasin, two letters, Ya and Sin. It is surah number 36. See, the first verse is the two letters Ya and Sin. And if you count these two letters, Ya and Sin, in the whole surah, the total is 285, or 19 times 15. So you see that consistently the surahs contain a number of their initials that is consistently a multiple of 19. There are 7 surahs initialed with the letters Ha and Mim. 7 consecutive surahs, beginning at surah number 40. See, there is surah number 40, initialed with the letters Ha Mim. The whole verse consists of just the two letters, Ha Mim. 7 consecutive surahs. This is the last one, surah number 46. It is initialed with the letters Ha Mim, and you count these distinctive, unique letters Ha and Mim in the 7 surahs, and you find that the total is 2,147. The total of Ha plus Mim in the 7 surahs. This is 19 times 113. 2,147. This means if only one letter Ha or one letter Mim was lost or added in the last 1400 years, the whole mathematical system collapses. But as it is, you count them right now in any Quran anywhere in the world, and you find that Ha and Mim in the 7 Ha Mim initialed surahs totals 2,147, or 19 times 113. Surah number 42 has 2 sets of initials. As you have just seen, it has the initials Ha Mim in verse 1, and verse 2 of this surah has the initials Ayn, Sin, Qaf, 3 letters, Ayn, Sin, and Qaf. And if you count these 3 distinct letters in this surah, Ayn plus Sin plus Qaf, the total is 209, or 19 times 11. Surah number 19 has the largest or the biggest set of initials. It has 5 letters. This is surah number 19, and it is initialed with 5 letters. Kaf, Ha, Ya, Ayn, Sad. And you count these letters in this surah, the 5 letters, total 798, or 19 times 42. Now, I wish to remind you that the letter Sad, for example, interacts or is interlocking with the other Sad initialed surahs, surah number 7 and surah number 38. You remember that this letter Sad in the 3 Sad initialed surahs is 152, or 19 times 8, but it also is intricately intertwined with these letters in this surah to give us a total of 798, or 19 times 42. So you can see that this mathematical system is far beyond human capability.
سبح لله ما في السماوات والأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم له ملك
6 surahs in the Quran initialed with these letters, Alif, Lam, Mim, A, L, M. They are surahs number 2, 3, 29, 30, 31, and 32. This happens to be surah number 32. And every single one of the 6 surahs contains a total of these letters, which is a multiple of 19. Every one. For example, surah number 2 contains 9,899 of these letters. And that's a multiple of 19. 19 times 521. Surah number 3 also contains a multiple of 19 of these letters, Alif, Lam, Mim, and so on. Every one of the 6 surahs contains a total of Alif plus Lam plus Mim, which is a multiple of 19.
يحيي ويميت له ملك السماوات والأرض يحيي ويميت وهو على كل شيء قدير هو الأول والآخر
There are 5 surahs in the Quran initialed with these 3 letters, Alif, Lam, Ra, A-L-R. And every single one of the 5 surahs contains a total of Alif plus Lam plus Ra, which is a multiple of 19. Every one.
سبح لله ما في السماوات والأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم له ملك السماوات والأرض يحيي ويميت له ملك السماوات والأرض يحيي ويميت وهو على كل شيء قدير هو الأول والآخر والظاهر والباطن.
Surah number 7 is initialed with the 4 letters Alif, Lam, Mim, Sad, as you see here. And when you count these letters, Alif plus Lam plus Mim plus Sad, in this surah, the total comes to 5,320, which is 19 times 280. And again, I wish to remind you that this letter Sad interlocks between this surah and the other Sad initialed surahs, surah number 19 and surah number 38, and every time within the surah and also with its sister surahs where the letter Sad is found, the totals are consistently a multiple of 19.
وهو العزيز الحكيم له ملك السماوات والأرض يحيي ويميت وهو على كل شيء قدير هو الأول والآخر والظاهر والباطن.
Surah number 13 is initialed with the letters Alif, Lam, Mim, Ra, four initials. Alif, Lam, Mim, Ra. When you count these letters, Alif plus Lam plus Mim plus Ra, in this surah, you find that the total is 1,482. 19 times 78. There are 5 surahs in the Quran initialed with the letters Ha, as we see in Surah 19 here. There's the letter Ha, one of the 5 initials in Surah 19. And then in Surah Taha, there it is, Taha, and the initials Ta, Sin, Mim in Surah number 26, right here. Ta, Sin, Mim, and in Surah 27, it is the initials Ta, Sin, right here, and Ta, Sin, Mim in Surah number 28. Ta, Sin, Mim. You count these letters in the 5 surahs and you find that the total is 1,767, or 19 times 93. Well, people keep asking, why 19? Why did God choose the number 19 as the common denominator throughout the Quran to prove every element of the Quran? The numbers of verses, the number of surahs, the numbers of words from a certain root, the numbers of letters, the initials, as you have seen. And we find the number 19 in the Quran, in Surah number 74, verse number 30. We find the number 19 and we find it connected with the proof that the Quran is not human-made. Some people say the Quran is human-made. In هذا إلا قول البشر, as it says in Surah number 74, verse 25. And God says the answer to these people is the number 19, as we see in verse 30 of Surah 74. Now, why 19? It turns out that 19 is God's signature on everything He created. As to the answer to the question, why 19? We discover that 19 is the basic message of the Quran, because 19 is the numerical value of the Arabic word one. So the whole message of the Quran is God alone. God is one. Worship God alone. And 19 is the numerical value of the word wahid in Arabic. When the Quran was revealed, there were no numbers. The alphabet letters were used as numbers, and the letter Waw also served as the numeral 6. The letter Alif was 1, the letter Ha was 8, and the letter Dal was 4. Wahid, 6 plus 1 plus 8 plus 4. The total is 19. And this is why 19 is the common denominator throughout the Quran, proving every aspect, every element of the Quran.
وهو معكم أينما كنتم والله بما تعملون بصير له ملك السماوات والأرض وإلى الله ترجع الأمور يولج الليل في النهار ويولج النهار في الليل وهو عليم بذات الصدور صدق الله العظيم. الذين آمنوا بآياتنا وكانوا مسلمين ادخلوا الجنة أنتم وأزواجكم تحبرون. يطاف عليهم بصحاف من ذهب وأكواب وفيها